a while since we've created some brand new textures here at Peachybbies, but you guys left some really good ideas in the comments. So today, I think that we're gonna invent some groundbreaking textures the world has never seen. First up, confetti! Wait, I thought I messed it up for a second, but it looks so beautiful. We're gonna need more than this, so let's pop these open. It scares me every time. I didn't think this through. I need to collect all of these and put them in my slime. Let's pop a couple more and then I'll start collecting them. I love confetti. What a mess. I need to get a broom. I'll be right back. Now I have a mountain of confetti on top of a blob of clear slime, and I'm excited to see what happens when we mix it all together. My prediction is that the paper might make it hard to stretch our slime, but hopefully it blends in well with the slime and we get a really nice and fun new texture. And oh my gosh, look at how colorful that looks. This looks so cool. Although this looks amazing, we need to find out if it's a proper slime. Can it make a good stretch? Let's find out. Okay, so some of the confettis are just starting to fall out. Dude, this just looks like a giant piñata, does it not? Like, it's literally a piñata. Ooh, this part right here, all of this, yeah, it looks fabulous. Look at that. It's super hard, it's not stretchy, it's just taking up too much space in the slime. You know, paper and slime does not mix well together, so it just feels like I'm just ripping apart paper. But I will say, it does make a really fun looking texture. Honestly, if I had a birthday party, this would be my piñata. Why not? But you know what? This is probably not our groundbreaking texture. So let's move on to the next one. The next texture that we're gonna create is a friendship bracelet texture. So here I have a variety of different friendship bracelet beads. My goal with this texture is to make a beautiful slime that I can gift to Aaron. All right, let's just start adding all of these beads in. We're gonna start off with these cute little colorful ones. Ooh. I really hope that I make a really nice slime for Erin. I think I've only ever made her one slime, and this was a long time ago, so it's time to make her an even better one, but this time it's gonna have a really beautiful message. Let's do these. I love these dudes right here, all the little happy faces. It's gonna be a very happy slime. This is something you guys can do at home. If you have just like a bunch of beads laying around, definitely don't take the beads from your mother's necklaces. Don't do that. Let's add a couple more. Oh yeah. You know what, crunchy textures already exist, but you know what's new about this slime is that it's gonna be a personalized custom slime for Aaron, and I don't think I've ever seen a slime before with a message on it, okay? That is very special. So if you're ever trying to send a special message to someone, then make yourself a friendship bracelet slime. So there you go, not a brand new texture, but a brand new sentiment. That's what truly matters. I'm gonna leave a chunk of these letters to the side so that I can make our special little message for Aaron. Now let's mix all of this together. I'm not gonna lie, the little beads smell weird. It smells really weird. Whoa, this actually looks amazing. Look at all the little smiley faces. The ASMR, let's have a little ASMR moment, shall we? Oh my gosh. We may not have invented the first crunchy texture ever, but we did invent the most crunchiest texture ever. This is already looking super packed, so you know what? I'm gonna set it off to the side and grab a new little blob of slime to work with. I don't know what to write. The pressure is on, you know? I can't say the wrong thing. Whenever you don't know what to say to someone, the only thing you can say is something that comes from the heart. There's no two better things in this world than receiving a personalized letter and playing with slime. So I just combined the two and we have a gorgeous, very meaningful slime right here with a message that I know Erin is gonna appreciate for the rest of her life. So let me plop this message on top of our slime and get Erin over here. I'm honestly so nervous to give it to her, but you know, this slime is gonna be very special for our friendship, so let's see what she thinks. Erin! Oh, hey, Erin!
Hello!
I made you a slime and it has a very meaningful little message on it. It's right there, you see it?
Oh, it's so sweet! Oh my goodness, this is the nicest slime anyone has ever made for me.
You like it?
It's almost as beautiful as Anna's eyeshadow. Wow.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much! That's the sweetest thing ever.
Can I keep it?
Yes, of course, it's for you.
Take it.
You see, guys, slime always makes friendship stronger.
Oh, it's stuck to my arm hair.
No!
Thank you so much. This is literally my new favorite slime, and this texture is really cool too.
It's really crunchy, right?
So, I love it. Thank you.
Bye, Erin! I am so happy that she loved her slime, but the goal here is to create a brand new texture. So let's move on to the next one. Hay. You know, they say that hay is for horses, and I love horses. So let's add it into slime. I don't even know why we have hay here at the warehouse. I just found it. Like, okay, first of all, the smell. But it also brings me joy because I actually ride horses, and the smell, it's comforting, you know? I may have added too much, but you know what? You can never have too much hay. At least that's what my horse says. Let me talk about my little horse real quick. So my horse Ping Pong, he's the horse that I ride every week. He is the most stubborn horse I've ever met, but he is a little sweetheart. And every time that I finish tacking him up and getting him ready for our ride, I then take him on a little walk to eat some hay, and that boy can eat hay for hours. He's just chomping on the hay. And I'm like, come on, let's go for a ride. And he's like, no, eat the hay. And one of those days, while we were eating some of the grass, well, I wasn't eating it, while he was eating some of the grass, I thought to myself, what would it be like if I just grabbed some of this hay and put it in my slime at work? And so that's why we're here today, because I want to find out what happens. Well, so far, I'll tell you this, this is the hardest slime in the world, probably. Look at that. Let's see if I can rip it apart. Oh my goodness. It does have a really fun stretch. It just requires a lot of muscle, so this is definitely one of those harder slimes to work with, but it is a brand new texture, and that is the goal of today, to create the coolest brand new texture the world has ever seen. So I think that so far we are succeeding, but let's be honest. This slime smells pretty bad, so that makes it unsellable. We can't sell this slime because nobody's gonna wanna play with it unless you just love the smell of hay and it's like your favorite smell in the world. But I don't think this is our new groundbreaking texture that we're looking for. I'm gonna give this one a solid 7.3 out of 10. Unless you're a horse, this slime is not for you. Next up, we have pearls. But these aren't just any pearls. These are straight from the bottom of the ocean. You wanna know how I got these beads? Dirty Dan. That's right. He dropped these off this morning in a mysterious wooden crate. It was so weird, but it was perfect timing because I'm making a textures video. So I thought, oh my gosh, this is just what I needed to add into my slime. Wow, so fancy. Oh my goodness. Let's do a nice little press. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love like the mermaid vibes. Maybe Dirty Dan saw a mermaid down there when he found these pearls. Oh my goodness, she is so slay, so elegant. Oh my god, it has hay on it. No hay in this slime. This is a fancy, girly, coquette, $1 million slime. I could see this slime on the market for $12 million. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And this is what I love about clear slimes. You can see all of the little details and charms, whatever that you add in, but right now these pearls are looking so glamorous. Oh my god, look at that. But you know what? Needs a pop of color. It really does.
Quick, Anna, take these, hide them in your slime, and if a Brazilian guy asks about the pearls, you don't know anything about them,
What?
okay? Okay?
Oh, okay, bye. Oh my goodness, did you see that? Where did it go? All right, but he told me I need to hide them in my slime before any Brazilian dude shows up. Okay. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty though. Here's the thing, I don't know where Dirty Dan went or where he got these pearls, but they look really nice on my slime. I mean, this is the exact pop of color we needed. Dude, Dirty Dan knows what's up. He always does. He never disappoints. Everybody leave a comment down below saying, we appreciate you, Dirty Dan. If a mermaid was a slime, this is what she would look like. But you know what? I don't trust this slime. I really don't. Something about keeping the slime is making me feel really weird and unsafe. I don't know where he got those pearls or what's going on back there, but I think we should hide it. Let's move on to the next one. I have a feeling that this texture is gonna be the one. This is a texture the world has never seen, and it's definitely groundbreaking. It is butterfly clips. I kinda wanna put some on. These are so special to me because growing up, my mom would always put these all over my hair, and this is how I would go to school, and I felt like such a cute little girly pop. We're going back to the 2000s, baby, but this time we're adding it to slime. I probably look a little crazy, but that's okay. Let's make it rain. Woo! I love how glittery they are. It's gonna make the slime look really pretty. Whenever you add glitter in slime, it just makes it look 10 times cooler, especially in different lighting. I will say though, right now it's a little pokey, but maybe once we mix it in, it'll be okay. Oh my gosh, honestly, this slime is bringing me back to my childhood. It's so cute. I feel like my mom would really appreciate this slime. That is so cool. Wait, I think that looks awesome. Ah, but it hurts. Well, I can't even play with it. Look at the little butterflies. They're so glittery. But I swear, I'm gonna cut myself if I keep playing with the slime. What was I thinking? Man, I really thought this was gonna be our groundbreaking texture. Maybe it was just my childhood nostalgia trying to make a groundbreaking slime, but this is not it. It really isn't. But do not worry. This last texture is definitely gonna be the one because we are doing rice. Speaking of rice, check out this slime bento box DIY kit. This is one of our many really nice slimes that we have in the shop right now. So if you want to get this slime, I definitely recommend it because it comes with a little syrup. Check this out. We drizzle on the soy sauce and then we add all of our little shrimp and sushi, but it gets cooler. We have a little salmon sashimi. We have some roe and a little happy shrimp. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my gosh, and it smells like cucumbers. So if you want to get this slime, then you can go to peachybbies.com. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you definitely want to get one of these slimes because we're gonna sell out super fast, and this one right here is a 10 out of 10. I feel really confident about this one because some of the things that we add into slime are snow fizz, and snow fizz really retains moisture once it's added into the slime, and rice is probably gonna do the same thing. Also, who doesn't love rice, right? It is time to find out if this is a groundbreaking slime. Ready? That should be good. Let's not get too crazy. Oh my god, this feels so nice. Rice is what I would eat every single day. I still eat it very often, and honestly, it looks super weird. Okay, let's make like a little pocket and fit in all of this rice into it. This better be a groundbreaking slime. Also guys, comment what other foods I should add into slime because something about adding food into my slime gets me so excited, and I'm really curious, like what other things could I add? Oh my gosh, yeah, so far this is looking really nice. Good crunch. It mixes super well into the slime. Dude, what a good slime. You know what? I'm gonna take a little chunk and add some more. Pack it in there. It's like I'm making breaded chicken. Look at that. Dude, this is such a cool slime. It's also changing the color of the slime. Now it looks like rice pudding, which is really neat. I wonder if it's even gonna clear up later. I have no idea, but oh my gosh, this is a spectacular slime. Look at all that rice. Let's stretch out the slime. Let's try to make a really nice big stretch. I love that you can see all of the little rice grains. I think we did it, guys. This is the world's first groundbreaking slime. I mean, who doesn't love a giant chunk of rice? Like this right here is life-changing. Honestly, as beautiful as this slime is, I don't think that Andrew is gonna let me sell it in the shop. Let's be honest here, like rice and slime, come on, it's a little crazy. But I think that this is a slime texture that is just between you and me. You should definitely try to make this slime texture because everyone has rice in their house. And it just comes to show that with the most simple ingredients, you can make a really fun slime. As wholesome as that may sound, I have more slimes to make. So comment down below what you want me to add into slime next, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!